Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to buy and order on Hoobuy. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and using the search bar, we just have to type out Hoobuy.com. Okay, and you'll be able to see this website right here. And before we can enter here the product name and the link, we have to sign up or log into our account. So since we don't have an account yet, we are going to sign up for an account. So right here, just have to type out your email. You have to create your password, confirm your password, and then enter the invitational code if you have any. And then after that, just click on this box right here that you have read and accept the user agreement and registration. Next, just click on this continue with Google if you want to continue with your Google account. So I'm just going to use this one. And then after clicking on it, just have to select your Google account. Okay, and then after a few seconds, just click on continue and you'd be directed to this page. So what you're going to do here, you just have to click on confirm and next. Then you just have to read the shopping process, confirm and next. And for the transportation risk, you have to read this one and then click on the box and click on agree and continue. So what you're going to do here now is to enter the product name or link, and here you just have to change the language and currency. So I'm going to use English, and for the currency USD. Now the first thing that you should do is to enter here a random product name, and later on I'm going to show you how to paste the link right here as well. So for example, we are going to search for table. Okay, click on it and then click on accept. Now just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be able to see here different products that you can purchase here on Hoobuy. Okay, so for example, I want to use or purchase this table. Just click on it and then after a few seconds, you'd be able to see here an information. So you just have to click on I have read and agree above. So make sure to read this important notice before clicking on confirm. And right here, you'd be able to see the name of the product. Okay, and then here are the different images for the product sample. Here is the product price right here, and then the conversion to dollars. And then here you'd be able to see the different variation of the product. Next, select the variation and then select the quantity. And here you can leave an important message and of course upload the image of the product. And do not forget to read the disclaimer. So all products available for shopping agent service displayed on Hoobuy are from third-party shopping platform and not directly sold by Hoobuy. So you just have to read this one, and after that just click on this box right here that you have read and agreed the disclaimer above. Okay, so you just click on the box. Then after that, you'd be able to see here now the option, which are the buy now option and the add to cart. So when you clicked on this add to cart option, so you can see right here at the top right of your screen, beside your profile, you can see here the cart icon. So when you clicked on it, you'll be able to see here the products. You just clicked on select all and clicked on check out. That's right. And right here for the confirm order step, here you have to type out your address. Here you just have to type out the recipient, the last name, your regions, you have the detailed address, the NOR number, the zip code, your phone number, and then the tax ID. After that, you'd be able to see here the product information. So you just have to confirm it. Make sure that all of the informations are correct. Here you'd be able to see the shop total, the total price, the freight to warehouse, and then the destination. Here is the order summary, and you'd be able to see here the total. And then after that is the submit button. So make sure to click on the I have agree. Next is we have to pay for the products. Here is the payment options right here. So we have the wallet. So here we have credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Alipay, Ideal, so forth, SAPA, and more. So for example, we are going to use credit cards for this one. So just click on it and click on confirm payment. And what you're going to do next is to input right here your card information, including the card number, the expiration date, the CVV, CVC, and the card holder name. After that, just click on Pay. Okay, so now after that, you'll be able to see here now the progress of your order. Now going back to Hoobuy, and let's try to paste here a product link. So for this example, we are going to visit the website, which is Timo, and let's try to find products there similar to what we have found on Hoobuy. So for example, I think this table would do. So yeah, let's just try this one and click on the share option and then copy the link. Once you copy the link, go back to Hoobuy, then paste here the product link from Timo. Then after that, click on search. Okay, now if you cannot find the product using the link, you'd be able to see here now the product links. You just have to fill out this field, okay, including the product name, of course. So we have here the product linked above and then the product name. And then if you'd like to add a specification for this one, so just have to go back to Timo and then click on your variation or the specifications of this product. And then for the commodity images, you just have to upload here the images of the product, and for the product notes, so leave a message only when you have special requirements. And here for the fee, we have the unit price, the quantity, and then just shipping cost. For the unit price, go back to Timo and then check the price of the item. So make sure to convert it to this currency. Then put here your quantity and then the shipping cost. After that, just click on buy now or add to cart. So when you click on the buy now option, you'd be redirected to the confirm section or confirm order. After that, click on submit. Here we have to pay for the product, so the same, just have to use credit card for this one. Then after that, we just have to fill out this field, the card number, the expiration date, the card holder number, and the CVV. Now going back to Hoobuy, so here we'd be able to see this category. So let's try t-shirt. So when you click on it, you'd be able to see here different products. Okay, so going back to Hoobuy once again and click on the 50% deals, you'd be able to see here different products that you can purchase. So basically, Hoobuy is an important tool for sourcing and purchasing products, especially for businesses dealing with wholesale or bulk orders. It helps users find reliable suppliers, compare prices, and streamline the procurement process. But when using Hoobuy, it is important to verify the supplier credibility to avoid scams or low quality products. So staying updated on platform policies and customer reviews can improve decision making and prevent potential issues with orders. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.